This is the final video to solve the graphics processor grayed out issue in Adobe Photoshop. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve the graphics processor grayed out issue, and I am going to share them with you. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial, because outdated drivers often contain bugs or lack optimizations required by newer software versions like Photoshop. A driver update ensures your operating system communicates efficiently with the GPU, resolving potential conflicts that lead to the grayed out option. Next, resetting Photoshop preferences can often clear corrupted settings files. Over time, preference files can become damaged, storing incorrect configurations that prevent Photoshop from properly detecting or utilizing your graphics processor, so a fresh start resolves these internal software conflicts. The third method involves toggling the graphics processor setting within Photoshop itself. Sometimes the application's internal state gets stuck, and simply disabling and re-enabling the GPU option forces Photoshop to re-initialize and re-detect the hardware, effectively refreshing its connection and clearing a temporary software glitch. Finally, verifying system compatibility and adjusting hardware acceleration settings ensures your GPU meets Photoshop's minimum requirements and is properly configured. If your GPU is struggling, or if other applications are monopolizing resources, adjusting these settings can free up necessary processing power or ensure Photoshop has exclusive access, preventing the grayed out state by confirming proper resource allocation and preventing resource contention. These steps address common underlying causes from driver issues to software corruption and system resource conflicts, providing a comprehensive approach to restore full GPU functionality.